special weather statement for the following counties in Ohio: Belmont and Monroe. A strong thunderstorm will affect north central Monroe and southern Belmont counties. At 5:02 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was 7 miles southeast of Barnesville, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour and pea-size hail will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Bealsville, Jerusalem, Wilson, Somerton, Caledonia, Moultonsburg, and Markham State Park. This includes Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 211 and 214.
Near shore.